Did you know that a single apple can provide you with 4 grams of fiber and a natural energy boost? Here's a quick and fun snack idea to get you through your day. Try this today. Slice up a crisp apple and spread a tablespoon of nut butter on top. This simple combination not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also delivers a powerful punch of nutrients. The fiber from the apple keeps you feeling full longer, while the healthy fats and protein from the nut butter provide sustained energy without the crash. Imagine a satisfying snack that fuels your body and tastes amazing at the same time. To elevate this snack, you can sprinkle some cinnamon on top for added flavor and health benefits, as it has anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. This apple and nut butter snack is perfect for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up or a quick breakfast on the go. It's so easy to prepare, and you can customize it with your favorite nut butter, or even add a handful of granola for extra crunch and texture. Would you try this? What's your favorite healthy food hack to keep energy levels up throughout the day? Share your ideas and let's inspire each other.